Gas prices are going crazy. The cost of goods are going up. Inflation's going crazy. So you're probably wondering to yourself, can I even afford a home here in Fort Myers, Florida? Well, we're going to take you on a tour of homes priced under $400K.
Right after this.
Hi, if you're new here to our channel, welcome. You've come to the right place if you want to learn all there is to know about living, eating, biking, boating, beaching, diving,
Shopping, golfing, buying a home.
no matter what it is, you've come to the right place. Just hit that subscribe button below and or hit that bell button on the side and you'll be notified whenever we put out new content. Today, it would be appropriate to start out here in front of the Edison Ford Family Estates, which is a museum now.
Yes.
And it's where they spent their winter months. They had a laboratory in there where they did experiment and invented things. But why do you think that Henry Ford and Thomas Edison chose Fort Myers, Florida for their winter home?
So first of all, that's just really fascinating to me. We're talking about Thomas Edison and Henry Ford, two of the most brilliant minds in history, two of the most wealthiest guys in history. Literally could have lived anywhere else in the wintertime, but they chose Southwest Florida, Fort Myers, Florida in particular. And I think the number one reason is probably the weather. Like in the winter months, we range between 76 and 82 degrees with no humidity. It is perfect. You can literally wear shorts and flip-flops here year round.
Yeah, not to mention we got some of the world's most beautiful beaches
We do.
and some of the best fishing and boating there is. So with that said, you're probably wondering, is it affordable to live in a beautiful place? Well, let's go look at some homes priced under $400K. We think you'll be surprised. Okay, all right, we're at this listing. It's priced at $390,000, which puts it at right around $390 a square foot, which is a little bit higher than normal. But what's cool about this particular property, it's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and it has an in-ground pool. And a lot of homes in this price range from $300,000 to $400,000 don't have in-ground pools, but this is the one right here behind me. You can see it's a nice home, nice landscaping, and it's just under 1,200 square feet. So it's a little bit smaller, but you do get an in-ground pool as a trade-off. And as you can tell, the neighborhood, it's a little older neighborhood, but it's a nice neighborhood, very appealing, nice place to live. So as you can tell, also it's getting ready to rain, so I'm gonna make this quick. Let's go check out the next listing. Okay, we're at this next listing. It's priced at $395,000. It's just around 1,550 square feet, and it's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. And if you can tell, it's in a nice established neighborhood, and it's actually right here on my left-hand side. Got nice curb appeal, nice size home. Comes in right around, I believe it was $250 something a square foot, maybe a little bit higher, but I need to pull some comps in the neighborhood so I can figure that part out. But it actually does look like a really nice home, and it is in a really good location, centrally located in Fort Myers. This is also a nice price home under $400,000. Let's go check out another one.
Okay, I'm going to introduce you to listing number 3 in Fort Myers this way because the sky opened up and it started pouring rain. This particular listing sold already for $399,000, and it was 1,474 square feet, just under 1,500 square feet, which gives it a price per square foot of $270. It was 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, located in the nice area of Reserve at Buckingham, which is right across from Riverdale High School, a very popular high school. This did have an in-ground pool, so it just goes to show what you can still get in Fort Myers for less than $400,000, although these listings are getting harder to get. So if you want to find all the homes for sale, or if you want to see all the homes for sale less than $400,000 right now in Fort Myers, just go to the link that I'll put in the comments. I'll pin it at the top. If you click on that link, it updates every 5 minutes with the newest listings, so you can see those. As always, if you want to follow our content, hit that subscribe button below and or hit that bell button, and it will notify you whenever we put out new content. We really do appreciate you watching. I'm Doug Lugers. Thanks for watching.